How to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. So if you're trying to disable Windows Defender, this is how you do it. On the first method, you just head over to your search bar and then search for virus and threat protection and hit enter. Once you have done that, your Windows security will pop up. Just wait for it to load completely. And then from here, all you have to do is head over to manage settings and then turn off both these real-time protection as well as dev drive protection. Just go ahead and close it out. The second method is go ahead and press Windows plus R and then search for regedit. Hit enter. It will open up your registry editor. Now, once you open it up, you want to head over to HQ local machine, head over to software, and then find policies. Right here, you'll find Microsoft, expand it, scroll down until you find Windows Defender, right click on it, and then create a new dword 32-bit value. Now you're going to name this exactly the same that I do. So you're just going to go ahead and name it, go ahead and rename it as disable spyware value. So you're just going to have to name it exactly the same that I do. So just go ahead and do this, disable. And there are no spaces between anti-spyware. It should be exactly the same. Now, once you've done that, open it up. Now you're going to set the value to 1 and then tap on OK. And once that is done, just give your PC a restart and your Windows Defender will be disabled. That is it for this video, guys. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.